Welcome back, Cisco Packet Tracer tutorial part 3. In this video, we will learn basic switch configuration and most important, I will explain what each command does and why we use it. By the end of this lab, you will able to set a switch name, secure it with the password, add a warning banner, encryption password, save the configuration, and verify a port and learn device. First, open your Cisco Packet Tracer. Now we will add the switch to the Packet Tracer simulation software like this. In this lab, I will use 2960 switch, and now we will connect with the console cable with the help of a laptop. RS32 and console cable. If you are not familiar with how to connect with the console cable with the switch, you will see my previous video part 2. Now we will go the terminal to access the switch prompt. This is where we are going to the switch prompt command. First step, enter privilege mode. Type enable. This takes us to privilege access mode where we can view and manage more settings. Step 2, enter global configuration mode. We will type config, terminal, press enter. This takes us to global configuration mode where we can change switch setting. Now we will set the host name. What this does, it's change the switch name from the switch 0 to any name you want. This is important because in real network, you may have many switches. So host name help identification. How to set host name? Just we will write host name and you want any name on your switch. In this case, I will write SW1. You see, my switch name is changed SW1. Now we will go to the set enable secret password. What does it means? This set the password for entering enable mode. It's more secure than enable password because it is stored in encryption form. Like enable, we will write enable secret and Cisco. I will set the password Cisco 123. This is my enable secret password. Now we'll press enter command. This is done. This is done like we will have a secret password, enable secret password Cisco 123. Next step, I will secure my console access password. What does it mean? Line console 0, select the console line, physical access. Then we will go the password console, set the console password, login, tell the switch to ask for the password when someone use consoles. This is important because anyone with the physical access should not get free access to CLI mode. We will set the console line password. We will write line console 0. Then we will enter. Now we will write the password console 123, then enter. Then we will log in and just we will write exit. This is way we secure our console access password. Now second step, we will secure remote access. VTY line. What does it is mean? There are the line used for remote access like a telnet or SSH. So this password protects remote login to the switch. In real network, remote access must always be a secure. How we will done line VTY? We will write line VTY 0 to 150 password VTY. In case I will write only VTY 123, enter, login, exit. This is done. Next step, I will tell you how to encrypt all plain text password. What this does mean? It's encrypted password in configuration file, so they are not visible in plain text. Basic security and help prevent easy password reading. How to do this? Just we will write services password dash encryption. Encryption. Services password encryption. This is way we will write the services password encryption, the encrypted password in a configuration file, so they are not visible in the plain text. Second step, we will set the set banner message, MOTD. What this is mean? This show the warning message when someone try to access the switch. It is used as a security warning and it is common in enterprise networks. How we will set the banner message? We will write the banner MOTD. Any message you want to write, I will, in my case, I will write unauthorized access is prohibited. Press enter. So this is we will set the banner MOTD message, unauthorized access is prohibited. Last step, we have saved all configuration. What does it is mean? Running configuration is the current configuration in the RAM. Then we will set up the startup configuration to save the NVRAM permanently. If does not save the configuration, we will lost after restart. How we will save RAM to the NVRAM? Just we will copy running config, startup config. Then this is entered. Okay, yes. This is mean we will save all configuration in the RAM to the NVRAM. Now we will verify and confirm everything is applied. Type show running configs. This is entered. This is show that we have all done commands like host name. We will set the host name as W1, enable secret password. Then we will enter one by one, see the all configuration like interface VLAN we have not set yet. Banner MOTD message, unauthorized access is prohibited. This is done. Line console password we will done, and line VTY password is done. So this is part 3. We learn how to configure the switch professionally, secure console and remote access, encrypted password, add banner, save configuration and verify using show command. In next video, part 4, we will learn start VLAN configuration and learn how to assign switch port to the VLAN. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment VLAN if you want part 4 next. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.